Is it a horror? Scam? The breeder can't meet you or video call? It's always an excuse. The photos are stolen from a real litter. You send a deposit by Zelle or gift card, then the fees start. Special crate, insurance, vaccines. Each one refundable, but none is real, cause the puppy never comes. Never pay for a pet you've never seen live. Adopt local, pay by card, or reverse search the photos. If this for anyone getting a dog.